Here's Miss Fawn. Just kind of checking out the blanket and the toys. Saw the tester. Let's see how she. Oh yeah, now she says, "Oh, you are here to play with me." Oh. And again, wanting to check out the. Oh, that rattle is fun. Let's do the touch tolerance. She's like trying to be playful and bite. And lick. But still tolerant over all the touching. Didn't start all the noise. She's gotta be able to see it so we can test the. Didn't start on the umbrella. She just wants to play with you.
Yes, sit down.
Can you throw Frank out there? He's like, dang it.
Come here, Frankie Boo. Come here, Frankie Boo. There you go, good boy.
Oh, look at, she's so into playing with you.
Frank's like, oh, dang it.
She's kind of neutral with the dog. She was like, oh, this is a dog, but I'd rather check out the slide.
Come here.
And go investigate over here.
Oh. Okay, say hi to your friend.
Pretty neutral. Awesome. Well, good job, Miss Fawn.